is lemon drizzle. I put the drizzle on while the cakes are still hot. Okay, I baked the cupcakes in this case that they came with. This is a lemon drizzle one, and it comes with a domed lid. I've left it to cool completely. The domed lid is a bit out of shape, yeah, but it worked. It was a bit out of shape because it squished while packaging. It was delivered a bit squished, but yeah, it looks really nice. And if you've got icing, if you use buttercream or anything, there's a bit of space for that so that it won't be squished by that. Okay, I'm going to open it. So people can actually eat it straight from the cupcake case like that. This is a lemon drizzle one. Look at that. The drizzle is nice and crunchy and it tastes amazing. Okay, there it is. Nice fluffy cake, and it's lemon drizzle with a crunchy topping. Thanks for watching.